Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have here the Haus Laboratories Le Riot lip gloss in the shade Venus to try out. And I got this in my April 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which you have not seen that unbagging yet. That is up here on my YouTube channel. And so this is Lady Gaga's makeup line. This lip gloss retails for $18, which I do find very expensive for a lip gloss, but it's cruelty-free, vegan, and it's supposed to be hydrating, which is something that is very important to me in my lip products because I have such dry, chapped lips all the time. And I'm really excited to see how the shade is going to look on me. It looks like a light peachy pink. So let's check out the applicator here. Yes, so I have tried out a different shade of this before, and the applicator is interesting, but I like it. It's like a big doe foot, but it's slightly curved, which is cool for applying it to the lips. Has a nice, easy to apply shape. And it really has no smell to it. I actually kind of like when my lip products have scents to it. I think that's a fun extra little aspect of a lip product, but this really has absolutely no scent. But so now, before I apply it to my lips, I do want to swatch it. That looks so pretty. That actually has some good color and looks super high shine. I am very excited about this. Let's go ahead and see how it is on my lips. It's interesting because even though it's a big applicator, it does not hold much product. So I feel like I already have to dip the applicator back in to finish doing the first layer on my lips. Okay, this is so pretty. I really like this color. And it actually does show up noticeably pigmented on the lips. And it's such a pretty shine. It really gives the illusion of plumped, hydrated, smoothed out lips. And it really does feel hydrating. My lips are not looking or feeling chapped anymore. There's no chapped texture. I do get stickiness from this though. I would say it's a pretty sticky lip gloss as far as lip glosses go, but that doesn't really bother me. I am loving this. It just perfected how my lips look, from how smooth they are, shiny, the color. I am loving everything about this. And I also think the packaging on this is really pretty, the kind of crystal look to it. So yay, this is definitely going to be a lip gloss that I am reaching for. I love that it's super shiny, but it's just shine. It doesn't have any shimmer to it or anything like that, no glitter. And it's just so flattering, such a flattering shade. I don't usually reach for light shades, but this is not too light. I think it's perfect. So if you've tried this out, let me know what you think of it, or if you have any other favorite shades of the Haus Laboratories lip gloss, let me know which ones those are in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.